Assalamu alaikum. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mannan's School. Just I would like to talk about the writing test on of IELTS exam. So IELTS exam is not so easy or not so simple. So we have to practice hard so that we can get a good score in the IELTS exam. So writing test 2 is the second modules of IELTS exam, because we know that there are 4 modules of IELTS exam. For example, speaking, listening, writing and reading. So as a Bangladeshi, so we know reading and writing so well, but speaking and listening is just uncommon theory, uncommon exam for us. So at first we have to take a decision that which part is most useful or helpful for us. Then we have to practice daily so that we can improve ourselves and we can improve our speaking skill. So I want to share this important module, writing. So writing is too much difficult and too much hard to us. And if we want to know about the clue and about the solution of writing task, so we can write easily and we can complete our writing task within our hours. So at first we have to know structure. What is the structure of writing task 2? So there are 4 or 5 topics. This is the most important, and these topics are available in the IELTS exam. So at first I want to share the agree and disagree. Agree and disagree is the most important topics for the writing test 2. So at first I have to, and we have to memorize the writing test 2 structure, agree and disagree. So let's go to the board and just see what is the structure of the writing test 2, agree and disagree. So here you can watch that agree and disagree. So I have written there are 3 steps or 4 steps: introduction, main body paragraph 1, main body paragraph 2 and the conclusion. So there are 4 categories. Actually there are 4 categories of writing text 2 about the agree and disagree. At first we have to memorize introduction. Introduction, just we have to must 30 or 40 words within this topics in introductions. At overall number of words will be 30 to 40. So introduction, you have to write 30 to 40 words in these points. So introduction is divided into 3 categories. So you can see or you can watch introduction into divided into 3 categories. For example, sentence 1, sentence 2, sentence 3. Sentence 1, you have to write paraphrase questions. It is the paraphrase questions. Paraphrase question is just like the topics. That means you have to write the topics with synonym words, and synonym words you can use as soon as possible or as much as possible. You just use the synonym words to write the paraphrase questions. The paraphrase questions, just you have to write the same meaning with other words, that means synonym words. 2, sentence 2, thesis statement. That means you have to write the statement of the topics, exactly the summary of the topics, and the topics just says about the topic, about the matter, about the subject. You have to mention it here. And the third number, sentence 3, outline sentence. Outline sentence, that means you have to write or over the topics. And then number 2, main body paragraph 1. Main body paragraph 1 is divided into 3 categories. For example, sentence 1, sentence 2 and sentence 3. Sentence 1, topic sentence. Sentence 2, explain topic sentence. Sentence 3, example. Sentence 1, just topic sentence. That means you have to write related to the topics. That means you can't out the topic, because you have to write related topics and you have to stay in topics. So, and sentence 2, explain topic sentence. That means you have to elaborate and you have to enhance the meaning of the topics, and you have to write more and more information about the topics. And the sentence 3 is the example, and just you have to give an example to the related topics, and just we have written the actually in this topics that you have to understand and you have to realize with the example. And just main body paragraph 2. Main body paragraph 2, just the number of words will be 70 to 90 words, and main body paragraph 1 just 70 to 90 words. The same words you have to write minimum, it is the minimum number of the words you have to write main body paragraph 1 and main body paragraph 2. So at least we have to write 70 to 90 words main body paragraph 1 and main body paragraph 2. So about the topics, and you have to stay with your topics. So you can't go out your topics and you can leave your topics, and you can't write about the information that's out of the topics. So as what you have write or have you written, so everything is included to the topics. So main body paragraph 2, main body paragraph 2, it is just number of the words will be 70 to 90 words, and just you have to write within 70 to 90 words these sections. And this section, just main body paragraph 2 is divided into 3 categories. For example, sentence 1, sentence 2 and sentence 3. Sentence 1 just like to the main body paragraph 1, topic sentence. Sentence 2 explain topic sentence, and sentence 3 example. So I just am saying again to you to that sentence 1 topic sentence, you have to write about the topics. What is the topics? Maybe the topics can be any types of subject, any types of information, that means internet, computer, that means any type of topics can be the topics, and just you have to write the main theme, you have to write the summary of the topics. So you have to follow this quotation and you have to follow to information, so that you can write easily and you can include all information of the topics. Agree or disagree? So a topic sentence, explain topic sentence, and you have to enhance or you have to increase the topic about the, and just you have to write more information about the topics. And the sentence 3, so example, and just what you have written in these topics and in this section, that you have to mention an example, and you have to related example you have to mention and you have to write here, so that we can complete your writing section 2. And at last you have to write conclusion. Conclusion, just its number of words will be 30 to 40 words. That means you have to write within 30 to 40 words in the conclusion. So it is divided into 1 categories, that means sentence 1 just you have to write summary and opinion. So conclusion will be summary and opinion, just you have to mention and you have to write about these topics and about the section. So all over that we can say that just writing test 2 and just agree and disagree. When the topics will be agree or disagree, that you can follow this structure, because this structure will help you to write the writing text 2 agree and disagree, and just you have it will help you to write the more informations, and just you have to write the category and step by step, and just if you write the step by step these topics, so I think that and I believe that you will get a good score about this topics writing test 2. So actually just introduction, it is divided into 3 categories, sentence 1, sentence 2 and sentence 3. So here preface questions and thesis statement. So just mind it and just remember here sentence 2 introduction, sentence 2 thesis statement. Thesis statement, that means you have to mention that which side do you follow, which side do want to follow, agree or disagree, that you have to mention just one of both, agree or disagree. If you follow the agree, that means you have to write the information related to the agree and agreement, and this you follow the disagree, that means you have to write the all informations about the disagree or the disagreement. So at first we have to decision here sentence 2 introduction, thesis statement, that means which side do you want to follow, that means agree or disagree, that means you have to mention here clearly and completely, so that the examiner just can understand about their writing section. So all over just I am saying to you that agree or disagree, it is the most important and it is the main topics, and this topics is just comes to the IELTS exam available and just minimum times. So at first we have to write the main structure of the writing text 2, so that we can get a good score. So at first we have to follow this structure, that means mainly agree and disagree, it is divided into 4 categories: introduction, main body paragraph 1, main body paragraph 2 and the conclusion. And introduction is divided into 3 categories. For example, sentence 1, sentence 2, sentence 3, but you have to remember that introduction here you have to write within 30 to 40 words minimum. It is the minimum range of the words. And sentence 1 is it is the paraphrase question. Sentence 2 thesis statement, and thesis statement means you have to mention here which side do you want to mention and which side do you want to follow, agree or disagree. Just one of those you have to write. And sentence 3, that means outline sentence, and outline sentence, that means you have to mention the related to the topics. And main body paragraph 1 just mean you have to write within 70 to 90 words. It is the minimum range of the words, that means at least you have to write 70 or 90 words. It is divided into 3 categories: sentence 1, sentence 2 and sentence 3. Sentence 1 is just topic sentence, and sentence 2 explain topic sentence, and sentence 3 is just example. And main body paragraph 2, it is also divided into 3 categories. For example, sentence 1, sentence 2, sentence 3. Sentence 1 topic sentence, sentence 2 explain topic sentence, and just sentence 3 and just example. And you have to write minimum 70 to 90 words just in these sections. And at last conclusion, just sentence 1 just you have to write 30 to 40 words, and just it is the summary and opinion, just you have to mention here summary of opinion. So guys, please, this topic is most important, so just remember it and memorize it and try to practice. Just find out the topics and just set up in this structure just how to complete your topics. And please, this class is just for helpful or useful for you. Just I believe that, and I think that, and if you think that it is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel Mannan's School, and just like, share, comment, and just pray for me to Allah, so that I can share and I can make a good just class and YouTube class just for you, and I can upload for you. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.